Hey everyone, it's Brandon with Hoku Marketing, and I recently bought several masks from a website called AlohaBonnie.com. So Bonnie's been sewing for many years, doing like custom bags and purses, long before COVID-19 or any of this came about. But obviously, it was a good pivot with her skills to move into masks. So yeah, I bought several, and I'd like to just do an unboxing here and kind of show you, since I do a lot of e-commerce, and obviously people selling masks are in the e-commerce segment. So yeah, let's just open it up. So obviously, nice light packaging, keep the shipping costs down. That's always, I think, a good thing for anybody involved in e-commerce. So yeah, let's take a look at what we got in here. I ordered, I think, 3 or 4 masks. So let's see. So, yep, here they are. Looks like they're double bagged. In this Ziploc bag here. I'm not sure if this bag is actually waterproof or not, so probably just an extra precaution. Probably a good idea to go ahead and throw that in a Ziploc just to make sure. So real simple, just a little extra step. Nice little card with a star in there. I'll take a look at that later, but that's a nice little touch. And let's take a look at these masks that I got. Let me see, I got 1, 2, 3. I think I ordered 3, but maybe I got 4 in here. So here's the first one. It's kind of a unisex type of design. And if you look at these side things that go around your ear, I don't know what you call them, like ear loops or something, but they're really soft. They're like a real soft, like felt cotton, like when an old cotton shirt gets frayed. So that's really nice. And you can see on the other side, it's a different type of material than what's on the front. So there's almost two different designs, 2 different sides. So really you could use this mask for 2 different options there. And here, this is the wire. If you can see that, there's a little bit of piece of wire in there, and you can kind of bend it. Really nice for those of you who are wearing glasses. I've been hearing a lot about people saying if you wear glasses, they fog up. So if you can really tighten that on the bridge of your nose, it would be really nice. So overall, just looking, at the construction of the mask, it's really sturdy. Obviously, it's really well done. The stitching is nice. There's no missing pieces. Obviously, Bonnie's been sewing for years and years, so this is obviously a good pivot for her to get into the mask. But just good material, real thick. And of course, you can just flip it inside out like this, and that little piece of metal just bends right over. And then, in essence, you have 2 different masks. So here's another one that I got. A little different design, kind of a black and white, almost like a formal floral print, something you would maybe wear to I don't know, to work. I would say going out, but we're not going out anymore. So again, double stitch, double pieces of fabric, so you can flip that in and out and do 2 different ones. But obviously, I got that print for my wife as well as this one. So I can't remember what the name is of this one. I had a really cool name on the website, but it's just a nice floral print. Thought my wife would like it. Kind of a unique design, and again, same type of material on these ear loops, I guess we'll call them, and the same wire up in the top, so you can flip that in and out or tighten it around the bridge of your nose. So yeah, just a nice, real pretty color. I think my wife will like it. So this here is a little pouch. So I believe Aloha Bonnie's been selling these for a long time now, but she stuffed the final mask in there. So that's kind of cool. This could be used as like your backup mask pouch. You can kind of see on the inside here, there's her little stitching. She puts her little branding in there. So I think that's smart for all of you doing this. It's kind of like a vinyl, but not quite. And it feels waterproof, the little ring here. Nice sturdy zipper. You couldn't fit a phone in there, but you could definitely store like 4 or 5 extra masks. Maybe some earbuds, some change, some extra keys. So that's pretty cool. I think something you may want to consider, since we're all, carrying extra masks around. That's pretty cool. So this final mask here, I'll tell you, just from picking it up, it has the same wire in there, but it's much lighter. This is, instead of a double layer of fabric or a thicker fabric, this is very light. So it's kind of like one piece of fabric on both sides. So kind of, my initial thought is it's way lighter. And I think people who are wearing masks all day long would really appreciate this. I mean, this thing feels like a feather in my hands, kind of like really light athletic shoes. You can really tell the difference. So I'm sure this would be a lot more comfortable than some of these other heavy masks. Same wire in there, you can bend around the bridge of your nose. I think, if you know people who are wearing masks all day long for their job, they would really appreciate this. Same soft little side pieces there. I think they would really like the very lightness of the fabric. So these are the 4 that I got, and I just wanted to do that quick unboxing for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you want to get a mask, go to alohabonnie.com and you will see all different kinds available. Thanks for watching.